Hello friends and family. There's no Michael today and it's so sad and it feels weird vlogging without him. But it's Saturday and Michael is in Indonesia. Well, he's in Jakarta. So he's over there for work and he's loving it. Yeah, when he gets back, come and ask him how it was. He had a really good time. He might make some vlog footage of what he's been doing, but gosh, I just ran and I'm puffed. Anyway, this morning I have a kitchen tea at my house. I have done hardly anything and it's almost 9 o'clock, so I have 2 hours to bake scones and cookies and clean and prep and work out some sort of stuff. So this is going to be interesting, but I'm excited because it's for Gab and she is a beautiful friend and I'm her maid of honor and that's what maid of honors do. So I miss my husband and it's freezing. So I'm going to sort out the house now and get ready and I will see you later. Bye. I bought all these herbs and I've put numbers on them and I've like labeled them here as well so you can't tell, but pretty much people have to guess what herbs they are and then the winner, well, there's no prize, but look who's here! Not me! This is Gabby! Everybody, this is Gabby's mum.
Good man. We're in Jakarta. We've landed. We're heading through to see to do a home visit, and it's very warm. It's pretty amazing here. It's pretty cool. Check this out. So it's warm. It's toasty. Very hot. Very sweaty. It smells great. It's an experience. Oh! Scratched. So, if you didn't see in that house, there was like bags of rubbish and like motorbike, a whole bunch of stuff. It's pretty crazy, but so grateful. Check these guys out. Beck's just a giver of the children, giving all the kids stamps. How do you feel, Beck?
Sweat running down my brow.
You're for the people. You're for the people. Here, pull. Okay, bye-bye. Salam. 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 Thank you. Salam. Woo! So that was super special. One of the guys in our trip just sponsored a little girl in that house. She'd been cancelled for like a year and been waiting to be sponsored for a year. And he just said, you know what? You don't need to wait any longer. You're going to be sponsored right now. And it's a beautiful moment. Hey! Hello! Fun, right? It's awesome. Bye! 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 Alright, we just got here to, wait, I'll show you. Tangapurnhara Mount. It's great, and we're about to do like the climb to the crater volcano. Apparently it erupted last year. That's kind of a fun fact. A bit more depressing than a fun fact.
Antique!
Antique, long time ago.
Antique toilet.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Scary time.
Yeah, you have to put tissue in the bin. Well, so far so good. I think what's great is Indonesia is like main cities. It's a lot of pollution, it's a lot of smog. Finally to get out to somewhere where it's like this, green and beautiful. For me, my heart's just like, oh, can rest easy, can breathe. It's nice. It's peaceful. So it turned from really nice smelling stuff to sulfur. Have you ever smelled what sulfur smells like? Ugh. Whoa, we're in the crater. Check this out. Check out this volcano. It's fully smoking. I'm literally standing inside a crater in a volcano that erupted not long ago. This is mental. This is so mental. And it's fully steaming up there. Man, this sulfur smells so bad.
It's very hot bath.
Is it? Jackie, you're insane. Oh, it's boiling, just like Dante's Peak.
Oh my god. Thank you. It's
No
lovely.
problem.
We're all
Put
scared
inside, might be
because
already
Jackie's
2 minutes,
actually
not
in
too hot.
it.
2 minutes is okay.
She's in the volcano.
2 minutes
But
is
it's
fine.
good for leg, for skin because of sulfur water, yeah?
Sulfur
Course,
water,
yeah.
very therapeutic.
Just
Very therapeutic.
like ready. You're a brave woman.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. It's crazy. So it turns out that other crater was a small one. This guy here is the big crater. Look at it. It's huge. It's actually massive. This is where I'm going to end the vlog. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Like. It's been a volcano.